Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel where I bring you the latest and the most exciting gadgets on the market. Today I've got an unboxing video of the most awaited and exciting phones from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3. But before I jump into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So without further ado, let's get this unboxed. It's always fun and delight to unbox Chinese phones. So what do we have here? A card with a Mix VIP service customer service number. And we got the new phone with the stickers on, which we can see in a bit. In the box, we have the fast 67 watts charging brick. The phone also has a wireless charging, unlike last year's model, which it didn't have. And we also got a USB type B to C charger wires. Nothing fancy here, just the normal ones. It would have been nice if you'd had the USB type C to C charging cables, but that's fine. Next in the box, we have, if I'm not wrong, the extra bits, which I absolutely love in Chinese manufacturer, for they have the case in them. Definitely something the likes of Apple, Samsung and Google do miss. This case is nice with a velvety soft touch cloth lining with the soft grooves inside. Definitely not cheap made. It has a soft touch leather like finish in the outer. It also has a kickstand, which is actually quite nice. It definitely looks and feels very, very good. They also have got the front protection as well with the case, and the outer and the usual paperwork and manuals, etc. Next to the main attraction, the phone itself, for what you guys have been eagerly waiting for. The glues are quite tight. Don't want to rip it off. As many foldable phones come, they are packed with the phone open so they don't put extra pressure on the inner folding screen in the box. So let's remove the security stickers. First thing you notice in the back is the carbon fiber finish. It's so slim when opened and it actually opens at 180 degrees. It gives a nice slimmer profile. Nothing on the side. Top has a SIM tray and the speakers. To the right, it has got a volume rockers. A side-mounted fingerprint reader. I just love the back design. It just looks so nice. Let's see how deep the crease is. It's there. You can't escape the crease, as this is the technology we are at the moment. Probably in the future, you might see absolutely no crease at all. However, the crease in this one is not that deep. You can certainly pick it up in different angles, but it's certainly not that bad at all. This is how it looks from the top angles with the camera bump. And with the top speakers, it's got 4 camera setup with the Leica branding on them with the 5x periscope zoom. And the most important aspect of any foldable phones, its hinges. It's very slim and nicely made hinges, and it folds flat without any gap in the middle. It's nicely built and brushed a metal finish surrounding the bezels. Flat bottom with the USB type C for charging, and 2 speakers, one at the bottom and one at the top. Again, the carbon fiber finish at the back is so nice to touch. It just feels nicer. This part of the design in the hinge is quite interesting. The gold line goes through the hinges, which just gives a premium look. And it's got a nice weight distribution. Overall, a solid build quality. The inner screen looks nice with less visible crease. And as you can see, it supports Google apps without any issues, whether it's Gmail or any other Google apps. I still need to set up the phone properly to check how all the apps work, including its notification delays, banking apps, and other applications. More videos regarding this is to follow in the coming days, so stay tuned for that. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech related content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and embrace innovation. Thank you.